Hey, so if Clipdrop is not detecting objects properly, yeah, like it misses subjects, selects the wrong area, or cuts things out incorrectly, that can be really frustrating. In this complete guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, make sure your image is clear and high quality. Blurry images make it hard for AI to detect objects accurately. Next, yeah, good lighting helps a lot. Dark or shadowy images often confuse object detection. Now, try using images with clean backgrounds. Cluttered backgrounds make detection less accurate. Yeah, make sure your main object is centered or clearly visible. Cropped or off-frame subjects are harder to detect. Now, sometimes detection fails on the first try. Just re-uploading can fix it instantly. Yeah, stick to JPG or PNG formats. Unsupported files can reduce detection accuracy. Now, very large images can slow or reduce detection accuracy. Compressing the file helps. Yeah, refresh Clipdrop or restart the tool. Temporary glitches can affect object detection. If nothing works, try another browser or check if Clipdrop is having server issues. Sometimes it's not your fault at all. So yeah, that's how you fix Clipdrop not detecting objects properly. Most of the time, it's image quality, lighting, or background issues. Try these steps and it should work better. Thanks for watching.